In this video, I will demo how to use JSTOR. JSTOR is a great database to find sources for the arts and humanities. We'll start out on our library website, and then we'll go to Databases A through Z. From here, click J, and then you can click on JSTOR to get to the database. To start searching, you can type in your search terms into the search box. So I'm looking at the play A Streetcar Named Desire. I put this in quotation marks so JSTOR knows I'm looking at the play titled this. If I hadn't used quotation marks, we'd get results with just pieces of the titles. So you might get an article about a streetcar, and then later on in the article would be something about desire. It wouldn't necessarily be about the play itself. So then I'll hit the search button. From here, you can click on an article title, or you can do some more narrowing down of your search. One quick tip is that these reviews are usually not very helpful. You can usually ignore those. That what you're looking for is either journal articles or book chapters. So I'm going to search within my results. I'm going to type in desire because I'm looking at the topic of desire within the play. Another thing you can do is JSTOR picks out subjects for you and tells you how many articles are about that. So you could always try that too. So I'll click on one of these titles. And if we look down here, here's our article. Something pretty nice is that it looks up your search terms within the article. So we can see that our search terms appear 45 times in here. That gives us a good idea that this is in fact a good article that is related to our subject that we've been searching. And it can give you a really quick look at what pages you can look at if you just want to skim the article to make sure that this is something you want to use before you read the whole thing. I strongly recommend you download the PDF if this is an article you think you're going to want to use. From here, you can download it, click this button to save it on a personal device like your laptop or a flash drive, or email it to yourself. Just find some way to save it so you can get back to this article again. Databases are constantly changing, so I can't guarantee that if you look for this again, that it'll be right where you found it last time. So here's our article for us. And anytime if you want to go back to results, just click this button here, results, and then you can look at more articles. Something really nice is that it lists these topics for you, so that way you get an idea of what the article is about before you click on it, so you know if you want to click on that article or not. So that was a really quick demo on how to use JSTOR. If you need any help, please remember to ask a librarian.